PSA for anybody that works out and doesn't own barefoot shoes. You need to own barefoot shoes. First of all, if you don't know what barefoot shoes are, it's a shoe that has a wider toe box, which allows your toes to spread more instead of being squeezed together like with most other shoes. They also have a very flexible sole, which allows your foot to move the way it's supposed to. And they have a zero drop heel, which can help maintaining a more natural posture. These shoes are also really good to work out in, running, walking, or hiking, and anything else that has to do with moving your body. To take your foot health seriously, make sure you wear shoes that are going to support you long term. These shoes are the real deal and are worth every penny. Click the link below to grab your barefoot shoes before they're sold out, because these are always selling out.